Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel Simply Pallavi. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me and giving me your love. And for all those people who are watching me for the first time, do hit the bell button, subscribe me for the latest updates. And in return, I try my best to provide you the value content about the mind, the body, the spirit, the daily life struggles, and how to combat them in a better way. So stay tuned for this video as well till the end because it is going to be a very interesting topic. So today I want to talk about how to raise the vibrations. Okay, we all are aware that we are made up of energy. Even not we, the animals, the non-living things, everything or everyone vibrates at certain frequency, at certain wavelengths, which the signals goes to the universe and the same things come back to us. Some people actually believe that this is philosophical, this is not that true, but even science has proven the law of universe, the law of attraction. So you can find a lot of researches on the Google or on any research net sites that it is true. So whatever we think, we become, and whatever we attract, we become. You can take it in any way. So that is absolutely true. So, and even if you don't want to have any more examples, you just introspect within. Okay, try to analyze your own self. That is your life an example of what you were thinking in your mind or what you were creating in your mind? Your fear, your superstitions, your limiting beliefs, were they actually created in your life by your own self? Try to interrogate, introspect yourself, because the correct answer, the honest answer, you will be getting from your within. So it is as simple as this fact that we are living on the earth, or we are a human being, or we have a sun, or we have a moon. All the universal truths, this is one of the universal truth as well. So now the question comes in that if we know that we are energy, and if we know that we can vibrate at certain wavelengths, if we know that we can attract something according to our own desires, how do we can do that? Okay, so this is as per my own experience. I'm sharing it with you. It may not be holding a very scientific detailed research, but sometimes I believe that your own life experiences give you so much of learning that you don't further need any explanations or any solid proofs from outside, because your heart, your soul, your inner child believes on that. So this is purely and purely on my experiences about the law of attraction and about how to raise the vibrations, because I think I've made a video also on this before, that what we eat, our body becomes the same. If we eat a healthy food, we become healthy. If we eat more of the junk food, the nutrients value, the protein values goes down because the food doesn't have it, and then we'll be more attracted towards the disease. Right? Everybody agrees to it. Similarly, our mind is having the food which is called thoughts, the emotions, the thought process. So whatever we think here, our mind creates that, our mind stores it for the future backup also. Maybe the fear, maybe the beliefs, maybe the emotions, the negative emotions, it stores it for the future backup, and we become the same. So it is as simple as it, that we have to sort out our thinking process. Now the question comes up, how do we do that? Because such patterns are deep rooted in us. How can you do that now? First, identify the patterns. Identify the negative patterns, the limiting belief patterns, the old patterns which are holding you back. The people around you who talks in the same fashion, who likes to motivate you in the same old fashion because of any reason behind, be it social, be it educational, be it cultural, be it family oriented, anything. But if you know that that pattern is restricting you to explore your infinite potential, then please maintain a healthy boundary with them. Okay, that's very important. That is the first crucial step. Once you do it, now you are clear that you are having your own space. your own space around you. Second, you have to add more and more people in your life who is having a growth mindset, who is having an open mindset, who is willing to explore themselves more, who are risk takers. If you have those sort of people, you will have the same sort of conversation with them and same sort of thoughts will go into your mind. So even in alone time, you're gonna think the same thing, because now that new thought processes is going to be stored in your mind. So that's it. This is the first two crucial steps you have to do to go for your own self discovery. Once you are sure that yes, I am very willing to raise my vibrations, I want to send the positive thoughts to the universe so that the light thoughts come back to me, do this. My personal go-to technique is moon gazing, walking barefoot on the sand or on your floor. Also, if you are not nearby the sea or beaches, do that way you connect yourself to the mother earth, and it actually gives you unseen energies which you can only feel within, and that can only possible if you are exploring yourself, if you are open, if you're willing to open yourself. So try that once. It actually works. Moon gazing at least for 10 to 15 seconds. This has been referred to me by one of my friends, and I think I've been very regular with it, and I'm very thankful to her also for providing me this amazing technique, because moon actually gives you a lot of calmness, contentment, peace, concentration. It increases your focus also. So that is one of the go-to techniques of mine to raise my vibrations. I do a lot of journal writing. I do a lot of gratitude exercise even in the morning, even before I go to sleep, even at my regular day routine also. Whenever I get time, I like to thank people who has actually contributing even a small thing in my life. Even my child, I guess I tell him thank you multiple times, even if he comes and hugs me for no reason, if he picks up a spoon and give it to me, just to feel good from within, and to teach him also that how powerful this energy is. So try inculcate some more good habits in you. Try to connect with the universe as closely as you can. If you are having any hobby, any long lost hobby which you have dropped in because of any reason, try to get the hands on. If it is music, dance, yoga, any exercise or any habit, I should say, which you are no longer continuing, please do it. Active body is a great signal for the universe to understand that you are open for the positive energies to come into yourself. So be more active through exercises, through walk, through dance, anything. Any physical exercise is also required, not only for your body, physical body, but for your mind as well. So it is very important for your mental growth too. And last but not the least, you can watch my videos as well to raise your vibrations. No, jokes apart, I think anything which actually makes you happy, you can watch. Lot of humor. Finding a humor in your life is the best therapy ever. So watch laughter shows, meet people who have a great sense of humor that actually fills you with more happiness and joy. So that also sends a good signal to the universe. So try all these techniques. It's so simple, so easy. It can be adopted in our life, at this time. I don't know what to say. Blake, no. Well, snap of a finger. Yes, snap of a finger. So try all these things, guys, and let me know too if any of these techniques helped you out or not. And I'm sure not will not be there anymore. You're gonna do anything you want to. Just have that belief that I am capable of doing whatever I think of. I deserve this. So once you have such strong affirmations in your life, you will definitely raise your vibrations. You will definitely attract only and only positive energies. So on this note, I end up my video here. I hope you will resonate with this video and you will learn something from it, and you will try to inculcate in your daily life as well. If you do, don't forget to comment me on this platform so that I also get to know that how much this video has inspired you. And keep watching me, guys. Take care, stay healthy, and stay healthy from here as well. That is most required. Take care, guys. Bye bye.